Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be looking at the location for the fuse box on this Hyundai Getz. It's 2007 model, and the location for the fuse box is here, just under here. So you just pull this compartment here. Okay, so this is the cockpit fuse box location, and all the fuses are mentioned here on the back of the cover. And there's one fuse box in the engine compartment as well, so we're just going to look at that as well. Okay, so this is the one in the cockpit under the dash on the steering column side where the steering wheel is. This is the right hand drive car. Okay, so the second location is here, just here for the fuse box, and you got the relays as well, and the details of the fuses are here. So you got the ignition, main, blower, ECU, and many more, horn, battery. So all of them are here. Okay, so this is the fuse box location for the Hyundai Getz. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.